Hey Fidget fans! So, as you know, I fell into the fidget rabbit hole at the beginning of the year, and I researched quite a lot and ordered fidgets for about 2,000 euros. A lot of them have arrived by now and are in front of me now, and we are now going to take a quick look what I have ordered. And I will be doing videos, unboxings, reviews of all these fidgets in the coming weeks or months. And right now, I just want to show you what I got and what you can expect on this channel. Alright, let's quickly go through all of it. Alright, first up we have 01 EDC. And a Pop 2. That's going to be interesting. I tried to order different fidgets, some magnetics, some mechanicals, some fans, sliders, free floating sliders, a bit of everything to find out what I really like. What do you got here? Lautie. It's a Choc. And it's a brass Choc. Limited edition, which I paid too much for. But they only made like 500. Alright, oh yeah, this is a mechanical fan. I can't remember the brand, but probably going to be interesting. Next, oh, this one's interesting. This is a yellow Croaker. It's a mechanical slider out of Zirc. Let's see. Oh yeah. Chenyu Guardian. I heard so much good about the slider. Probably one of the best mechanicals. Very excited to try this. An Ono slider. It's a silent fidget. Next we have, oh yes, the camera mini. I have hunted for this for so long. These are so hard to get. Really glad I got one. And it's brand new, sealed. So nice. Next, Mui, I think it is. It's a brass fan. This will be interesting, especially compared to the mechanical fan or to the Lautie Shuffle, which I also ordered. Let's see, might be this one. Oh yes, this is a Zirc Shuffle. Very excited to try this one. And I also got a mechanical shuffle somewhere. Maybe this one? Yes! It's a stainless steel shuffle. That's what I meant. That will be interesting to compare the two. This one is a pig coin, I think. Ah, damn. I think it's a pig coin by YEDC. We'll see when we unbox it. So, what do we have here? Oh, a breakthrough free floating slider. This will be interesting. I really want to learn some tricks with it. You'll see how I get along with that. So what do we have here? A Top D! And it's a special one. It's the Lautie Corporation Top D. I really wanted this one. These are also quite hard to get. And what else? Oh, that's one that you've probably never seen. It's a Tygo Gold. It's a gold bar. It's a magnetic slider with rails. Right, did I show you everything? Did we look at that? Oh, it's a ding ding slider. A mechanical one. Alright, I think that's it. Did we look in here? Oh, we have I think it's called armor or something like that. Also a magnetic slider. Will also be interesting. Alright, so this is most of what I have. If you are interested in seeing me unbox all this, review all of it, and make videos on all of this, follow my channel, follow for more. If you want to see a video that I already did an unboxing of this one, the Walkman by ATI. You can click on the video that will follow next. And I hope you will subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!